Right, guys, we're at the Edge shed again, and we're messing with E-Type, and as you can see, things are starting to sort of come together. Exhaust manifolds going on, thanks to my trusty assistant over there, who's going to have a look at the wire there, hopefully. We've got some brake lines have gone in. I think you've seen the reservoir bottles have decided to go on, and still haven't worked out how to do that pipe, but we've got a problem with the gearbox mounting. Now, we haven't got a gearbox mount. We have, but it won't fit. It's up for an earlier car, so can't use it. So we have made one. Here's our made one. I know all the purists can be going, well, look, that's no good, it's not original. No, it isn't. And I don't care, because it's actually designed to take my homemade gearbox mounting, which I've made out of a lump of box section. So I think it's going to be heavy enough, somehow. So anyway, that's it. Cut, welded, cut in half, grind the thing, cut the centre, drop it in, and use a cotton reel. All the cotton reels, yeah, that's the ones. Anyway, so obviously that can now go in possibly for a test fit, and then we might paint it. Should we paint that?
Probably would.
You want to, don't you? I can hear you. Yeah. I can hear you want to paint it. You like painting. You always want to be a painter and decorator. Anyway, so we have been messing with the gearbox, and as you can see, we had to do a bit of a surgical removal there to get to the actual flange, but I don't think it's structurally going to hurt it, so we'll be replacing it anyway with plastic cover. What else? What else we got? What else we got, guys? I don't know. What else we got done? Anything else? Just really just tidying up stuff, isn't it? We've been doing a bit of tidying up. We found the heater box, which I think needs a bit of repair on the brackets to get straight mounted. We've also found the proper tubing for the brake fluid bottles. Steering column is in and lovely. What else? What else? We've got a few bolts, all the threads cleaned up for the inlet manifold, which is going to be sorted out. And what else do we have to say? What else do we have to say apart from to shut that bloody door? Shut that door, it's bloody cold. But yeah, so water pump drama is still going on. To be continued on the water pump drama, we are looking into the possibility of using something else, or maybe cutting and re-welding that one. It has been done before, so I'm not going to say I haven't done it. For all the people out there are going to go, oh my god, you cut the water pump. That's because I don't want to buy an E-Type one. The E-Type one must be robbed for another E-Type, which is hiding over there. Anyway, so going to say thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for giving us a bit of enthusiasm to carry on, because I carried on when hope was gone to weld up an E-Type for you. Right, guys, Edge shed, and we're playing. We're using our 50-year-old wire loom, which we're going to rebind, check which wires are okay, which ones are good, we'll keep, which ones ain't, we'll replace. We got the handbrake cable. I don't know what's going on with that gear stick. My assistant is sort of getting carried away with that.
No, I just put it into
just to make it look nice.
See the clearance.
Yeah, see the clearance. Cross member was made there, as you well possibly saw, and painted, and it is now in the vehicle. Send for the vehicle. Reaction plate, bolts rim. We're having none of that at the moment, so we're not going to even attempt on that one. We're going to come to a bit of a haltation. My right hand man here is in the side doing bits and pieces. He's going to thread some wiring through. But yeah, we are sort of getting there. It's like British Rail said. Keep doing little bits and pieces, and it's just gradually it gets done. So got to get that blow off pipe sorted out next. I might do that now actually, while you're doing that. I'm making a right mess. Look at that, see? He's a messy bugger here. He's messy. You like to make the mess. I like showing it up. There you like to make the mess. But anyway, so yeah. I mean, yes, guys, we are. The head shed is moving ahead. It's moving ahead, shed. I'm going to redo the hinge pin. I might not show you. It depends. I don't want anybody commenting. But anyway, so at the minute we're looking good. We still haven't got a windscreen. We still haven't got the windscreen aperture sorted for the top here, but we've got everything we need. So at the moment we're just cracking into doing the engine, getting the engine in, getting the gearbox in, getting the clutch, the brakes, getting all that looking lovely. And now we've got to work out what we're going to do about cack and paint. Lots of cack. Yeah. Apart from on that sill, a floor. Apart from where I had to join the sills together to make up a sill, which obviously is going to like. But don't worry, because it's got like 2x1 box section welded all inside it. Like, so that'll be alright. Got to draw some drain holes in the floor as well, because it's holding water on it instead of the roof leaks. But yeah, front calipers. But at the moment, no head torch. And what do they say? It's nearly 4 o'clock on a Wednesday. It better not be. Well, it's whatever time it is on a Wednesday. And we're still working hard. And it's 2:15. And we don't know what to do. But the bloody wiring's getting hard. Have you got like, there's some new saw blade, knife blades in the box in there, aren't there? No, good idea. Yeah, you will. Your 50-year-old loom, yeah, don't want to cut it.
This with this, you can actually push it out through and then comes out the other side.
Are you sure you know which side's which?
No, I'm just cleaning them up. And I said clean them up.
Clean them up, clean them up, clean them up. Right, got to find a cable throttle. Okay, that's my next thing. So anyway, like, subscribe, follow us about. Hope you're enjoying it. And I think it's starting to look more like a car, but to be continued. So what do we say, Lee? It could be worse.
Yeah, no, yeah, do like and subscribe. Obviously, carry on watching to see.
We have got,
see how it actually turns out.
We did have our assistants out here a minute ago. Our little assistant, didn't we?
Latest assistant.
Yeah, my latest assistant, the one that likes revving engines up. That one. Anyway, so sod it. It's done. Talk to you then. Bye for now.